That you never be lonely.
You ready? I guess you are. It's your boy T-Lite. Oh yeah. Well, today my man Liddy came over here. What's your YouTube? Let me know what your YouTube is.
The WhittSmith Way.
Man, she right there. I see you, Christine. Do your damn thing. Yeah, he came over here. We're gonna put these. What are these called?
Louvers.
Louvers. We're gonna put these louvers on.
Quarter panel.
Louver, quarter panel louvers? Quarter panel louvers. Where you get these from?
eBay.
See these? Get these from eBay. How much they cost?
$28.
$28. Now come on, if that ain't affordable, I don't know what is. Come on, you could lose a couple of these if you want to. But yeah, we're gonna end up putting these on. So I'm gonna put that down right there. And we're gonna start with the first step is what's this thing?
The windows with vinegar.
Clean the windows with vinegar. What kind of vinegar is this?
Distilled white vinegar.
You can get this at any grocery store. You see that? You got that lit? Yeah. Any grocery store, you can get that from. This towel. I don't know where we got it.
Walmart. Use any towel.
Walmart. This yours?
Nope.
Oh. I'm like, wait a minute. Maybe we didn't get these towels. Got this from Walmart. Oh, damn, that came out way more than I thought.
Well, it is a gallon. Over a gallon.
Over a gallon.
So why do you use vinegar?
That's what's in Windex. Just gets the window the cleanest. So you could use alcohol too if you wanted.
Okay.
We didn't
That's what I
have.
was gonna say, but
Yeah. We use vinegar. We use vinegar on these. It worked out. We didn't have alcohol. This is a pandemic.
right.
We couldn't really find no alcohol. So.
Probably don't want to use one rag like that. Leftover stuff. He's got a little yellow stuff coming from the rag. Probably want to use a different color rag on a smoother, different type of rag. But you can wipe that off with your fingers. You know what I'm saying? I vinegar this one. You want me to hit yours up over there too, Liz?
Yeah.
I'll hit yours up too. Man, it dried up real quick too.
Yeah, because you don't want it wet or the tape's not going to stick.
You right, Christine again.
I'm gonna be driving. My shit gonna smell like vinegar.
No, the smell of vinegar will go away after a couple minutes. You just smell it while it's
Be
wet.
pretty sweet though.
Be fresh.
Driving past people and they smell vinegar.
He must be running on vinegar. He running on vinegar?
Hey,
Man, what kind of motor? What you do your motor, man? You can run on vinegar. Don't worry about it.
Let's check out the decal.
Man, we got on it.
Yeah, the front is completely done. The back is in the process. At first, it was just a YouTube sticker. I said, nah, I'm gonna take that off.
Oh yeah, that's all it was. YouTube.
Yeah, it just had a YouTube sticker right here. Because we had messed up the first set we had. The vinyl got stuck to the paper. And we was like, damn.
Well, it came out looking good.
Oh yeah.
Who did this for you?
Charles.
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 Does he have any? Well, we can get Charles' information.
Charles with the Mini Cooper.
Charles the Mini Cooper, yeah, criminal.
Yep.
The leader of our crew, criminal. The lead criminal. You clowning, T-Lite. Okay, now what we gonna? What's the next step? Put the two-sided tape on.
Put the two-sided tape around the edge.
Now, do you want to like? How do you want to do it? Like, cut separate pieces out, or like put it all around the edge?
Oh, that's why you had the scissors. Duh.
Yeah, just
I was wondering why you had the scissors.
stick the tape around the whole edge, like one big strip, cut it. Put two strips here, cut it. One strip, cut it.
Okay.
So you'll just take the tape off of one side for now.
Okay. You want
You don't need the scissors in your hand, so that's probably why you need help.
You just tear these up?
You just take the red.
Oh, it's two-sided.
Oh, it doesn't have any sticker on it. So just stick it on there. And then you take the tape off when you're ready to stick it to the window.
Man, I need to go back to school. For real.
You want to...
I'm gonna put it in the middle. Put it in the
Here,
middle.
you can record and I can...
Yeah, let her see. We gonna let her do it, you know. Because T-Lite hands shakier than a leaf in the wintertime. You know what that means. At any given moment, it could fall.
Do we gonna run out? Do we gonna run out?
A two-sided tape?
Yeah.
What?
Nah.
So they got two.
But we can make it work. Because all we got to do is hit another strip. It should work. It should be good. Yeah, you should have more than enough. Man, it's hot out here, though. I ain't even going to lie. I'm going to keep it all the way real with y'all. It's hot in Indiana today.
Not even doing
It's
that.
hot in Indiana today, y'all. We got you today, Texas.
Yeah, we do got this.
We need some more.
Just need one for right there. One strip for there. Oh, yeah, you got enough tape.
What about for this one?
It should be enough for that one. Let me see. You think so, bro?
We about to find out.
We about to find out.
Maybe, maybe not.
See, what I would have did was I'd have just put little strips.
Half and half? Yeah.
Damn, cut it, and strategically
Let's see
placed
how much
them.
we got for this one. Well, it says to put it all the way around. Yes, not enough. So what y'all saying? Y'all want to take some off of that, put it on here, and chance it, or?
Might have to.
I think it'd be all right if you take some off of that.
Well, we also have this tape.
We'll see how good this tape is.
Yeah.
What side? What is this? 2-sided?
Yeah, it's two-sided.
Oh, we got 2-sided. This
This
is.
is fake 3M, so I don't know how good it is.
Oh, well,
Made
3M
in
is.
China.
Oh, made in China.
Yeah.
It's made in China. It should be all right.
China.
Shit, they made Corona in China, and that shit's strong as hell. You gonna use this part?
Yeah, so he has it.
Damn, there you go.
This tape is
A little bit fatter.
little,
It should be all right though.
let's set it on the box so we don't scratch this.
The heat ain't playing no games today, boy.
Yeah, so just press it down before you take the
Tape off.
tape off. Yeah. So make sure it's like really on there. I think this is gonna be good.
Yeah. There we go. I'm gonna lose about 3 pounds
Telling
by the end of the day. All right, no, that's gone. 3 pounds is gone.
You got lines of sweat like you just did a PT test.
Bro, I feel like I just did a whole workout.
I didn't know it was this hot. I was at work, you know, I was spot all day, and I wasn't this hot. Could be
We
because I
are
was
directly in the
sitting in that truck on that
Directly in
AC,
the side.
chilling like a villain. Yeah, that tape gonna be good.
yeah.
If not, you're just gonna lose a Louver.
You alright, boss?
That's it. Hey.
You all right, boss? He over there cooking. Trying to play it off. He hotter than a mole.
I'm hot as hell.
I know I'm hot. I'm sweating like a mother. I know I'm hot. I ain't even gonna play no games, which I'm gonna tell you the truth.
Look like tears falling down my damn face and everything.
Oh, these should go right on. Look at that little tip right there, little edge right there.
Yeah. Yeah, press the red tape down.
She ain't trying to hear that. I ain't trying to hear that. Cooking out here, right?
Little breeze or something. So it's okay to pull this side.
Yep.
Okay.
You might not be able to because you don't really have any nails.
You ready for your first video yet, GT? Not yet.
Taking the tape off.
Mm-hmm. See, they experienced.
Well,
Christine and GT already did
we
this.
already did this.
You know, I was just there for more support. Cause I'm that kind of guy. Who Gatorade is that? Powerade is that? Sitting up there just looking
Yeah.
Looking delicious. What up, Ice? You got ice hot.
I know ice hot as hell right now.
Look like you just came from across the street.
Okay, so one's done.
That's this side?
Mm-hmm. Man, that shade feels so good.
You gotta put it on.
Oh, I'm about to find out.
Like line it up at the bottom and then fold it on.
Okay. Am I doing this right?
Oh, his has the little thing on the top.
Mm-hmm.
Yours goes from the top down.
Oh, that's already looking good.
And then just
Just press down on it.
Crack the plastic.
It look good.
now you're supposed to hold it for a minute.
I think that side's gonna be good. It's the 3M side, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What did they call it for you?
Yeah.
3M double side. It's not like
Little. Little tape showing.
next one might be good too.
Hey. 1.5.
What was that other shit called?
Like you said,
1.5 M.
Really?
1.5.
No,
No, it look like it's gonna be good though.
Get the towel.
This side can keep popping up.
You said it did pop up?
This how it was fitting, honestly.
Yeah, I think that.
As it heats up, I'm pretty sure it started to stick.
Well, I don't think. I think that one's down a little more. Is the other one down? Like on the. Yeah, the other one's fitting the same.
As far as that tape.
Mm.
As long as it hold on to the majority of the window, it's all that matters.
Yeah, just that little edge right there.
You sure it's doing the same thing?
Yours is doing the same thing, but it's the yours is the same.
Yeah, yours is
Let's pop a little bit on the phone too. A little bit.
Yeah, because I had to put that there. We didn't put no glass.
Yeah, and then you got fucked up.
Yeah,
It kind of, I think it kind of warped, honestly, a little bit. 'Cause even when I placed it on here, it never sat flush.
flush.
Yeah.
So maybe it might be off a little bit.
Yeah, it's gonna definitely pop up like this right here, unless I do something extravagant.
This is sitting on there good enough.
I wonder is it you see how you still have a little room at the
Yeah.
top? You wanna see if you can take it off and scoot it up, or you wanna leave it? Because I think you could have went up more. Like you're supposed to stick it under there and fold it down. Yeah. Like lift, unstick it. Now. Yeah. Now push it down. Is it still on the tab?
Yeah.
Trying to see if it's gonna pop off.
I don't think it's gonna pop off.
Oh shit.
It's stuck, pretty much.
That's just gonna. That'll
You
be
could
all
put
right.
another little
Piece of tape on
piece
there.
of tape on the corner.
everything's
Where the
fine.
tape at?
Got some more 1.5 M.
Right here.
There we go.
Yeah, put another piece of that on there. That's a cap.
You just saw it like hit the
Yeah.
windshield.
Oh, your damn hands.
We're good now.
Get him in.
I think y'all done now.
Leave them nice and alone, baby.
Hey, T-Lite. I think y'all are done now.
Yeah, he took my shoe. Solo dolo right now. As you can see, the dog took my shoe. This is the finished project. I said project. Is it project or product? Finished product.
Project.
Yeah, the project has been done. This looks good, as you can see. If I'm straining to pull on this. But yeah, I guarantee it's gonna stick real good.
Is that the 3M size?
This is the 3M. We use, how many, what's over there we use?
1.5.
1.5 M. And you can tell the difference.
The one that came.
This is what comes with it. Terrible. Terrible. But you need to go buy this.
Or two-sided gorilla
Or
tape.
two-sided gorilla tape. Y'all got that?
But it's on there.
But that's on there real good. If you double whop it, if you put double this on there on one side, it'll stick. But like I said, you want to get 3M. 3M is the better tape. The tape that comes with
Yeah, I
it,
think you got to get some more.
garbage.
3M. Yeah.
1.5, probably 0.5 M. This is a 3M. This is 0.5 M. No stick. As soon as you touch the surface, it's falling off right off. But yeah, it looks good. It look A1 Yola. And like I said, A1 Yola, if it's A1 Yola, you know what that means. We'll knock you on your ass, goddammit. Yeah. That's the only part that ain't sticking, but other than that, man, it looks extra mundo.
Oh, yeah.
That's Bill and Ted. For y'all that don't know.
He's just going to get some more 3M tape and
Right.
do the other side.
3M tape.
He ran out.
He ran out, but yeah. Again, where'd you get these louvers again?
eBay.
eBay. But how much? $29? $28. You can get these on
$30.
eBay.
It doesn't even matter.
Yeah. We're gonna go on 30 with tax. But with that being said, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video of me and Liddy. What's your YouTube again, Lit?
The WhittSmith Way.
Right there. Booyah. Booyaka, booyaka.
The front look a lot better.
Yeah. The front, if you want to look at the front.
Put your hood down.
I got it.
Bam.
I got some
Fuckers going crazy over here.
You gotta do your outro.
Outro can be done anyway. I'm putting this on my stories. We're way up out of here, y'all. Check him out. That thing looks good too. I love the way that damn thing sound. He got his record off there. I hope y'all enjoyed that video, man. We did our thing. Put those louvers on there. GT, she getting jealous because she gonna try to fire her car up. Cause she jelly. Bang. Shut up. But yeah, with that being said, man, y'all always be positive. Always look to the sky. Try to be greater than you was yesterday. As I said again, hope y'all enjoyed the video. And with that being said, it's your boy, T-Lite. Oh yeah. And I'm out this piece. Jittig.
The fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me.